Today I was just pruning my begonia plant because it was growing wild now, and this is the right time, I think, to make cuttings and to prune it so that the new shoots start coming from this. So you see, I have already finished half of it, and like this I am taking out the cuttings. So it's almost done. Only the last part is left. And I'll just show you how the new leaves and new shoots have already started coming in. So had I not cut it, had I not pruned it, these new shoots wouldn't have got the energy to grow big. So I have pruned it, and now I can see lots of these new shoots here. I'll put some compost in this, some fertilizers, and it will grow nicely. So this is it, and I'll just show you the number of cuttings I have made from this. I know cutting survival rate is very less, but then even if I get 4-5 cuttings out of this, then I'll be lucky in winters. So you see this. This is pruned nicely, and one can see the new shoots. So during this time it is important to check your begonias, because if you will not prune it at this time, the old shoots will rot and die because of the lots of moisture in air. The picture has gone blurred. Okay, so this is like this. So friends, I just wanted to share this. This is the right time to prune your begonia, to make the cuttings, and how the cuttings will be made and put in the soil, I'll just show you. I'll show you a few cuttings and put them right in front of you in the pot, and you see, we have to remove these lower leaves completely, and this flower also we have to remove, because this takes a lot of energy to keep intact. So we'll just keep a few leaves for the photosynthesis, and then we'll take this root hormone and we'll dip this cutting and put it in the soil. So I'll just make a few cuttings in front of you. Keep it aside, and this is another cutting, and the place from where I have cut these is this semi soft area, or semi wood, you can say, semi hard. So this is another one. I'll take one more, and then I'll plant them. Cut the flower also. Cut this leaf into half and dip it in the root hormone. Keep it aside. Now I'll show you. You see this plant, friends? I did pruning of this plant about, I think, about 15-20 days back. So this is that hybrid variety, and it has started growing, and the cuttings which I had made, I have planted those cuttings in some other pot, and let's see how they will grow, and I'll keep on updating you. So for right now, we'll just put these cuttings. I'll put them here only because my other pot is not ready. So just to keep the record, you see, we'll just make a hole like this, push it inside and press the soil around it like this. Okay, the another ones also will do like this. Make a hole. This I've already applied root hormone in this. We'll insert it inside this and just close it or press the soil around it. The third one I have made in front of you, will make hole for that also, and we'll just put it inside and press the soil around it to avoid the air spaces. So this is done. So 3 cuttings of begonia here, and like this. These are so many other cuttings. I'm going to put these cuttings somewhere and let's see how many survive. But right now I'm happy for my this begonia. Okay friends, see you then in the next video. Bye bye.